Kwesi Dain again. You may come up papa video no so hey. I been say what's now Good morning.
Morning.
Who ye?
If you have a call.
Sure.
Yeah.
But when I energy no high power.
Sir.
But I about to your mama me.
Straight.
Atna brochi da.
Na Ghana here no.
Hey ya lewo.
Yeah.
Hey, Netflix we end da man.
Kabende.
No what's about you to Kwesi Dain a town for nice song. The menu mean a promoter now.
Yeah, this is my new song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now a town for you.
Obi a time for. You know, but me be say me try my dog for na obi bia say. De nyame asra no. No was trying. Nti e focus wo what time for so. Focus wo. The nti a oba asase so. You know, focus on your purpose and your aspirations. Yeah.
Nti sisi ya push atamfu. Say atamfu ni wa en.
Obi a say what time for?
Me ya sure.
Obi. Obi a.
Who no?
Obi.
Ah. Yeah. Okay, Martin. Now when you marry when you another wo.
Oh, go on be bro.
How many years in?
6 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
6 years.
Into 6 years in rap hip hop na.
Yeah, I'm a hip hop artist.
Okay. Na see industry net da no ihun the
na me Adom ye go so kakra. Yeah, release we me new video title na ya time for YouTube. Me release I think say 2 weeks in here. Simon kona mo subscribe to my YouTube channel na mo support Kwesi Dain, you know, Ghana music to the world. Yeah.
Na feature a top artist in
Ghana. And be ba ye go so.
Na dey hu edwuma.
Ye hu edwuma.
Enti no my hwe ebe mu nchare 6 years in here. Ebe ka dey otodo mo smooth. What challenges ihun dan?
Na easy. Adwuma bia na easy ba. Empire ne hard work ne kakra ne omo boy nti egusu a epem ko. Yeah.
Nti no music video accident discussion was it
me management ne madofo special to Prince Heart.
No your manager.
No manager.
Ofana Prince Heart.
Prince Heart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Na wana na ebo bo business.
And I'm a road manager and I'm a personal assistant. So my team na get to be here together and we try video man.
Video no do e fa papa no kwado o ye krope ayaze nyum no so e kama papa nti no wo style na anyen atamfu fi atamfu e bakoyin ayan
na me betre
okay it's no my share so the way you after atamfu look at him what's the journey going to be like
a bigger picture, you know. Yegusu ayebo juma. So after time for no more expect something great, just a good music from Kwesi Dain. You know, yeah, so I'm on share anymore.
Okay. You see, every engine way be pede or pede or be show wechi and I'll be pedo follow socials no do. But what details ni na mahene.
All right, so Kwesi Dain _ on Instagram, Kwesi Dain on Facebook, Kwesi Dain on all streaming platforms and all social media platforms. You know, okome by you na enquiries no go. Ebi I will share my numbers no, and I'm email so that wait me contact me. You know, yeah. Nyame show be all support me.
Mama enkwa brand to nyum na kakra to kakra mami nte atamfo no. Mami nte voice.
Stab in my back but I'm still moving forward though. Ya try to also usube nipa kesio. Nyame na shiram yo enye mahod no. Nyame na shiram yo enye mahod no. Inti atamfo ya munja yo na enkosi shu munja yo na enkosi agao na enkosi shu moyefo ye kwa
hey anyway share wa hade aba papa Kwesi Dain engene na yengene etwetwe nkomo o hade no new one atamfo enyum no e kama video no ye kama nti no wo momozina na won stream enyum no fa man streaming platforms ni nyina ye bo do
Kwesi Dain but be Spotify, Audiomack, YouTube, Tidal, Apple Music, everywhere, you know, you can get my songs on all streaming platforms.
Okay. Yeah. What style why I'm there I don't know. Ejina had the way na jadi mami ya Kwesi ata vibes so.
Sa.
Enyum na.
O minimum no.
Share na da.
No, really, me shana.
Okay.
Me shana.
Okay. Marty. Into no yako final ways be be catch.
Yeah, man. So Nankupon Shra will be our supporting Kwesi Dain. Nankupon Shra, my manager, my road manager, my personal assistant. Friends Heart, na me Shra, Okinjo, you know, Money Dawn, Galaxy, Larusso, Brother Kites. Will be our supporting Kwesi Dain be a Nankupon come.
Squad no do so. What ene chi chapo, into the juma no recordo. Atamfo. But that's papa. Ebebo paid o hade nti no Morocco. Mama fa wo Lord ninja wana na ese. Okay. Because o Lord no benja wana won mo so mo ma mezi yibro nya mi shop papa and the production dey okete cheje sika papa wanda no hwehwe nya mama dem ro be motum na menya bibia baka che wana paint no okete cheje sika pa me das papa dey bo motum the production no meza ebesiye wo hade tina set tenge squad ni nyina wo be kofi ampedu obi a mamuru abufriend because some isn't pronunciations na azini ye ntino wise kasan me da papa ntino me de besi ha de nyame adoma ye besa na ye sha enjoy so ya do oh lord
yeah
Kwesi Dain me je mo fa